Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the newest Allure Beauty Box. It's definitely been a good week since I actually got this in the mail. And I'm finally opening it up now. I've been so busy and I was behind with editing my last video, so this is what we're doing today. So I get this box once a month now. Same box, different stuff on the inside. And so this is my beauty box, my Allure Beauty Box. And it comes with a menu or pamphlet, booklet, whatever you want to call this. And that's so it comes with the Allure Beauty Box booklet or menu, as I like to call it, and it includes promo codes that are exclusive to Allure Beauty Box subscribers. And it comes with a number of items. You always get one of these makeup bags. Same kind of vinyl material. This one actually looks different. It folds in rather than it snaps. That's pretty cool. And this one's like an orangey color. It's like that. It's like that like inflatable couch kind of material. So that's what this is. And inside there are a number of beauty products that are inside the booklet here, or menu. And then we have this $60 gift card for HelloFresh that they want us to try. I haven't tried HelloFresh yet, I'm thinking about it, but I'm not sure yet. But it's a $60 gift card, $20 off your first 3 deliveries, plus free shipping. Oh, that's great. It says claim within 30 days. Alright, so I might give this a go. So that's that. And let's see here, put these down. This one actually doesn't have a promotion on the back. Like usually it has a promotion with one of the, it could be one of the brands that's inside of that month's box or just another beauty brand, but this one's actually for Geico, so that's a little odd. I don't really care for Geico, but alright. And on the inside there's a letter from Elizabeth Siegel, the Deputy Beauty Director from Allure Beauty Box. And she has a message, you know, to the reader. We're not going to go through it. And then we're not going to read it, no offense. And then there should be a product, and these aren't always 100% to what you're going to get, but this, everything you get probably will be in here. I've had boxes where one of the items wasn't in here, and I'm like, alright, whatever. Most of them are. This item is from Laneige. Then there's something in here from Model Co. that I'm not too familiar with, but I've gotten anything from them before from one of my subscription beauty boxes. Then there's something here from Saint Tropez and Larizzi Cosmetics and Lulu. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Lulu, I'm not really sure. Lulu by Jean Seo. I'm not too familiar with that brand. I've never really heard of that brand actually. So let's see what's inside. So unlike the other makeup bags I've gotten from Allure Beauty Box, this one doesn't have snaps. I usually have snaps on the front. This one is a little, oh, I see how you do it. It has this thing that like flaps inside and you just pull it open. Alright, so I took off my makeup I had on earlier today so I can give this a fair try. So this is me no makeup. This item here is from Lulu by Jean Seo. If that's how you pronounce it, I'm sorry if it isn't, I don't know. It says Erase, Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. This item is valued at $15. It says combine this loose powder made with milk powder and oats with water. Apply, wait a minute, massage it away, and it unclogs pores and renders skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. That's interesting. So that's the first item in the box that I'm gonna try. So I know it looks kind of awkward, but I have it on my face. It didn't really get as pasty as I thought it would. It's not really a paste. It's just, it smells good though. It has organic Avena sativa oat flour, which is oat flour, and organic non-fat milk magnesium carbonate. It sounds interesting. It says it should come off like eraser peels, taking blackheads and reducing large pores. That's interesting. So like I did a lot more than I thought I probably should have, because I did it twice. Like put some of the powder in my hand, and then it smells kind of like milk, and well, I feel it's starting to dry. It takes about a minute, it says, to dry. It might be longer than that, but it's not really pasty. Like this is not pasty. This is just like mush on my face. Paste to me is like a thicker consistency, and I'm not getting that. Like I don't know how you would call it pasty, but okay. And I'm just being honest, but like I don't know about that. I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash it off. To be honest, my face does feel very, very soft. I have mixed feelings about this product. The whole idea of putting like food on my face in that kind of way is very strange to me. So that kind of bothers me, but my skin does feel like pretty darn soft. So I'm happy about that. And let's see what's next. The next product in the bag that I'm gonna try is from Allure Pacific. I'm not really familiar with them either. And it is their Moisture Bound Cream. It's worth the full value, like the value of the full size one. This is just like a travel size. This one is 0.2 fluid ounces. The full size one, I'm not sure how many ounces that is because it doesn't have it on here, is $150. Wow. It says this ultralight cream goes on like a lotion and sinks in like a serum. Oh great, my face is starting to feel like irritated from that powdery stuff. I'm not even kidding. Let's see. Which makes it a good base for layering. It also moisturizes thoroughly as a solo act. Thank you, bamboo sap, which I'm guessing is in here. There's bamboo sap in here. That's interesting. Without any palpable finish. Not sure what palpable means. But let's try this out. Very close to what the full size one looks like in the pamphlet. So this is what I got, but the real one, not the real one, but like the full size one. So that's pretty cool. And open this up. It smells nice. I don't know what that is, but it smells very nice. Oh, I got my nose. So it goes on like a cream and it feels like a serum. It smells like it could be worth $150. This one feels pretty nice. This is the next one, which is from Laneige. And this is also travel size, 8 milliliters. It's not the full one at all. But the full size one is $35. It's the Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. That would be me. Dry skin. Says to use in the morning or at night, or use in the morning and at night before bed. Doesn't really smell like much. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my hands. I didn't even show you the last one, did I? No, I didn't. Put a lot on my face. It really doesn't smell like much, but it just feels nice. And then, no, that's not really a good adjective, but that's just how I feel. So the next item in here is the travel size as well. It's from St. Tropez Self Tan Purity. It's a bronzing water face mist for natural glowing skin. It's 14 milliliters. The full size one is, also doesn't say, but it's valued at $30 and you can get these at Ulta. So that's what I got. It's tropical scented. Ready? Mmm. Smells fruity. Smells, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's fruity. I wonder what it's gonna look like later. Like, does it really do anything? I don't know. But it's cool. I'm not really sure what it's doing, but it feels nice. It smells nice. I like it. So this was my review that I did on Influencer after I saw what the St. Tropez Bronzing Mist did to my skin. A lip gloss from Loritzi Cosmetics, Lip Gloss and Vibe. And this is valued at $20 and it's in shade is Vibe, I think. Oh, I get it. What? So the lip gloss shade is called Vibe. And what does it do? Loritzi. I never tried it like anything from Loritzi before. I'm not really familiar with it either. Let's see what it looks like. Oh man, it smells so good. It's like chocolate frosting or any kind of frosting really. I'm gonna be right back because I want to look in the mirror. I don't know if gloopy is the word, but you know what I mean? It's just like gloppy. Be right back. I need to put some chapstick on. Lastly, we have Model Co. Elite's Metallic Eyeshadow in St. Bart's. It's $12. It says it's a bronzy champagne cream shadow that dries fast and doesn't crease or rub off. Oh, that's great. This is really pretty. So this is what this one looks like. It has a doe foot applicator. Let's see what it's like. It smells like weird chemicals. The color is pretty nice. It's like a chromey, bronzy color. I will be right back because I want to try this on. I'll be right back. This one, I already can tell you, I'm not crazy about it at all. I had to put on a few layers before I could even see any color on my skin whatsoever. The pigmentation is so light that you can't even see anything. Now it's drying, but like it's messy, it's blotchy, and I don't like it. I don't know if it's because I just used the applicator to put it on or what, and I like use my fingers to try to like wipe it a little. I didn't really like it unless like you're supposed to use it in a certain way that like I'm not doing it. Covering my lid with it, it's just not nice. I don't like it at all, but that's my take on it. I only really liked the cream from Laneige, moisturizing cream. That one I liked, but other than that I really didn't care for anything. And this one's Allure Beauty Box, and it's just my opinion, but that's just how I feel. So being honest with you. Thank you again for stopping by and watching my videos. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Whoever that is. Click the alert button to be alerted every time I post a new video. And follow me on all my social medias that I have in my channel. I have some coupon codes for you as well. Thank you again for stopping by. I will see you all soon. Bye. Please subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.